The first step, the first procedure, or let me say, the first process you have to follow before creating or starting your project, your website creation, is to plan your website. If you start building a website without plan, imagine having a feature without plan. You know how your feature will be. Then when you start creating a website without a strategic plan, your website will look like you understand. So even Albert Einstein said, a chaotic life, an indisciplined life is a chaotic life. So if you don't discipline yourself by planning your website first before creating it, your website will look careless. It will look like a useless one, unless you are well experienced. Depends on your experience, sha. But anyhow it be, it's better you plan your website before you start building. So before getting started, before getting started, define why you want to create a website in the first place. You ask yourself why. Did you just got a job? Did you just got a client? Or are you creating the website for yourself? Then after asking that question to yourself, this process ensures that every design decisions will align with your end goal. So this process will ensure that every decision you take will align. If you want to create an investment website, if it's me, first thing I will do is, if I don't have the script, I'll go and buy the script, the investment script. If I want to create a WordPress website, I will first of all look for a hosting platform. After looking for a hosting platform, if I already have one, I will look for a domain. I will look for a name, the name that will match the kind of brand I want. After choosing a name, I'll buy the domain. After buying the domain, then I install WordPress. After installing WordPress, I will now think of my branding, the color palettes I will use, the typography I will use, how I will organize my website, the visual hierarchy, the images I will use, and all that. So that's the first step you need to take. You have to plan your website. So in the case of an online store, the design should show your brand identity and facilitate the customer's buying journey from product discovery to completing a purchase. Yeah, you know the money first. You have to think of the money, because even if your website is as beautiful as, if the payment system is wrong, people will not pay you. People will find it hard to pay you through your website. So you have to get everything done with a plan. It's even good having a book like my own, in my short book. I will table everything, document everything, then I start creating. Then now I read again. Those who want to publish a portfolio website will wish for a design that complements their work. If you need help defining the intent of your website, here are some guiding questions. Who is your site target audience? Who is your site's target audience? What are the main goals of your business content strategy? Is it to educate about a subject, sell a product, or entertain a visitor? Questions you should be asking yourself. What series of actions should website visitors take upon opening the site? These can include browsing your product. If you want them to jam your product immediately, you do that. If you want them to read what you have said, if you want them to watch videos, everything depends on what you want to do. Buying item, reading content, signing up, newsletters. Another one is, what voice and tone do you want to use to communicate with visitors? Do you want to sound professional, more laid back? Depends on the audience you are talking with. If you are in a rural place, you should know the kind of English you are using. If you are doing your business in Obete, where you have all these market men and market women that are even rich, but they didn't go to that extent of education. Maybe they stopped in secondary school and started their Waboy business. So any business you are doing, by planning your website, you should know your audience. You should know your target audience, the people you are targeting. If you are targeting UK, US, you have to be sound like them. You have to sound like what's good, bro. All those things. So then these notes will be handy as you build your website. So be sure to remember them. After defining your goal, spy on your competitors' websites to help you visualize how your future site should look like. Sorry. Yeah, so here is saying that after defining your goals, you should spy on your competitors. There are some platforms you can use to spy on your competitors like SimilarWeb, Google, AI platform like ChatGPT, Facebook Audience Insights. Yes, Facebook Ads. Yes, I'm not sure what is Facebook Ads Research or something like that. You can check it out. So that's it for plan before you build your website. Thank you.